Hello friends, in this video I gonna show you how to disable autocorrect or spell check in Windows 11 Mail app. So firstly, click on this search icon, type settings. Now open settings. Now click on accessibility. In here scroll down and click on keyboard. Now again scroll down and click on typing. Now here you will see option autocorrect misspelled words. So turn off and show text suggestions when typing on the physical keyboard. So turn off. That's it. Now close it and restart your PC. So hopefully guys, by this simple and easy steps, you can disable autocorrect or spell check in Windows 11 Mail app. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video work for you or not.